Jabba, Jabba, Jabba. Look at me. She's trying to get on you.
Right, see if I go to you. There. She growling at you?
She's crying.
Right, let her go. Don't squash her.
Aww.
She wants you to play with her.
Aww, see, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, come on. Hi, Oh. Oh.
Is that what she does?
Yeah.
What noise she makes? Be very, very careful now. Alright, 'cause she's only tiny. I think she likes you, London.
She's out there. Oh, come here. Come here, babe.
Very careful, very, very, very careful. Right, okay. Don't lift her too high in case she falls. What are you doing to her?
So, I'm wrapping her up.
Why? Why are you wrapping her up?
Because she's cold.
I don't think so, because it's not very cold in here.
Yeah.
I don't think she wants to be wrapped up, London. She wants to walk about.
She wants to be wrapped up.
No, I don't think she does. I think she'd rather just walk about, darling. Let's take this away and you can play with her without that.
Hello.
She'll get too warm.
No.
See, here she's coming. Be gentle, remember. She's only a tiny baby.
I'm choking her.
Don't choke her.
Oh, lady, she's